What's up guys, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where we talk about how to make money online. So today I found a new website which I want to share with you, and before I proceed, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel because I post videos regarding how to make money online daily on YouTube. So and don't forget to press that bell icon, okay? Otherwise you won't get any notification on YouTube. Okay, so before I proceed, let's take a look. As you can see on the screen here, this is called adwallet.com. What it does is you'll be able to make money just by watching ads, okay? So the brands want your attention, make them buy it. So what you have to do is you can earn real money from your favorite brands, like watch a video, ways to earn, answer a short question or take a short survey, reveal your email, get rewarded. You'll get earn a minimum of 50 cents and up to $3 for your full attention. Wow. And you can make more money, earn an additional $1 for every friend you refer. And they also have a referral system through which if you share that link with your friends, if friends sign up through their account, you will also get paid like additional $1 for every friend you refer to their website, and that's incredible. Now by watching ads you can really make what this does is when you watch a video they will show you ads, and that means you will have to see the ads, right? And by watching the ads, if you view the full ads, you will get paid a lot, and I think you should do it. And they have already paid out $632,000. That's a lot of money. I think they are a really new website, so, and they are quite legit. And cash and rewards paid out to people just like you in our first 12 months. So they have been around for about a year, so I think you should go with them. It's easy to get paid, to watch video ads and complete online surveys. We offer 4 ways to get paid. Choose the one that best for you. Obviously I'll take this PayPal option or transfer to bank if you want. You just have to provide your bank details, that would be enough. Or otherwise the best way to get paid, in my opinion, is PayPal. Okay, PayPal is the most easiest way you can get paid, and it's a lot hassle-free. You just have to enter email, but whereas in case of bank transfer you have to provide a lot of details, including account number and stuff like that. So I'd say go for PayPal, okay? And it's much less less work to do. So as you can see here, people just like you love AdWallet, and this is a really great website, as you can see here. And okay, the brands have spent $250 billion. That's incredible. Like, they have really a good connection with the brands. So is there any age requirement to sign up? You must be 13 years old or older to sign up. Wow, this is also available to teenagers, okay? So if you're 15 or 16 years old, then if you have a verified email address, or if you have your parents' bank account number or parents' PayPal account, you can use it, and you can still work here as a teenager, and that's incredible. So these are the companies they work with, so that's incredible. So it's simple, right? And you will just get paid for watching ads, and that's incredible. And what is this all about? Let's take a look, okay? And this is the trailer they have.
Don't you hate it when ads interrupt us
Okay.
when we watch TV? To the radio or surf the web? What if advertisers just stop begging you to pay attention and instead just pay you for it? After all, isn't it full attention?
Wow, this is nicely done.
As it turns out, it's actually good.
That's cool, and that's what I want to show. And you can cash out when you reach $10, and that's a low threshold, okay? You'll get paid easily here. And just what you have to do is, in order to sign up, okay, that's what I wanted to say. And you can just sign up here from this section. And also I would like to let you know that this site may be available only in United States and some major countries like Canada, UK. It might not be available in India, so that's a drawback of this website. Otherwise it's fine. That's that's what I wanted to say. If this video is really helpful for you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos regarding how to make money online every single day on my channel. And as a disclaimer, I'd like to let you know that there's no guarantee that we'll make a dime from this website by following this tutorial. But I recommend you to check it out and see if it works for you. If it works for you, that's great, right? And also, there's no guarantee that you'll make money from this. So as a disclaimer, I say for all of my videos like this. So thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video with another how to make money online videos on YouTube.